Hello, welcome to another video. We are in Cyprus and we're staying at a place called Horizon Riders, which is an adventure bike rider's paradise. I'll show you around and show you why. So Horizon Riders is an adventure bike holiday where you get to stay in a luxury villa right on the edge of the route with adventure bikes included. So you get to ride the Rieju 307 Rally Aventura and get to access all the maps and all the files and be able to go anywhere you wish on the bikes. We hired this tiny little car for peanuts. It was only a couple of euros a day. You can get yourself then from the airport up to the accommodation, and then once you've finished your day's riding, you can go into town, go to the restaurants, go down to the beach, basically do whatever you want, just like you would on a normal holiday. The boutique villa accommodation sits on the hillside, and outside you have a communal barbecue area and fire pit, a hot tub, an outside dining area, and access to a pool and brick-built barbecue. Inside the accommodation there's 2 bedrooms that will sleep 4. Depending on requirements, you could have the double bed or 2 single beds in that room. Each room has its own air conditioning. There is a lounge area with television and 2 sofas, a breakfast bar and full equipped kitchen, so you can do your own cooking and store any of your own food during your stay. I'm here for a few days testing the Rieju 307 Rally Aventura and also staying in this wonderful accommodation. The booking system and website are still under development, but if you want to come on this adventure bike holiday, then please do let us know in the comments below and I can put you in contact with the owners. I will be making and posting some videos of the trails and a bike review, so please give us a subscribe and hit the bell notification so you see when I post those videos. And if you've liked this content, please give us a like and a comment below. And as ever, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.